That sheep was
sheep
really
got
trying.
tired.
That sheep got tired. Hey, what a special night tonight for communities and schools and KENS 5. I love this partnership because what we're able to do is get into a mentorship program with J High School. The J students come to KENS 5 once a month and we do a different activity. We have lunch, we hang out. But one night out of the year, we go to J High School and they bring parents and relatives and we have dinner together. We play some fun games. We have a wonderful opportunity to share some time and fellowship. It's just a great, great communities and schools KENS 5 partnership with this mentorship program. In fact, let's hear from a couple of these students from J High School.
I feel like our families are just gonna understand that we actually have a support system, not only in school but out of school also.
Yeah, I feel like we can definitely tell them what we do, but now that we're all together, they can definitely see how y'all impact our lives.
Yeah, the connections.
That's it right there. The connection. That's Megan Reyna in the middle, by the way, not one of the J students who did a phenomenal job and won the Kahoot game. She was really good, took first place in a 35 or 40 person Kahoot game tonight. But yeah, a lot of fun. And I tell you, it is such a blessing to be with those students and communities and schools. All right, outside tonight, we've got a light southeast breeze. In fact, calm at the airport. Temperature 64 with skies partly cloudy, dew point at 46. That's only going to go down with this Thursday front. In fact, this front will be a not as hot front. We won't be hitting numbers like we did today or tomorrow. Wait till you see the highs we're expecting tomorrow. 87 today, 89 at Seguin. Look at all the 90s. Gonzales, Floresville, 92 Pleasanton. Then you're getting up to mid-90s, even 97 at Carrizo Springs. Now let's stack up ours. Did we get to a record 87, 5 away from the 2008 record of 92? We should be stopping in the upper 60s this time of year. Hey, talk about the pollen count real quick, because I'll tell you, this mountain cedar, it was limping through some light counts, then it jumped to one heavy, now it's back to another heavy count. It just won't let go. Near 2,000, and ash was up in the air today too. All right, so high pressure in control, you cannot miss it. Right over the Baja, huge dome of high pressure, and this ridge sending in this northwest flow aloft, pretty stable flow. We've got some mid and upper level moisture leading to the high clouds that we saw today, not the rainmakers that we need. We really need this high to break down in order to get out of the way and hopefully get a chance of rain. More on that in a moment. But first, tomorrow's heat under the high. 99 at Carrizo Springs, 99. They hit 97 today. We're getting warmer tomorrow. But look at the temperature spread from 54 to 99, a 45-degree swing. That's what dry air loves to do. So with that, we're going about 59, and then by the afternoon, we're going to 89. So we'll stop just short. 92 Hondo, 95 Pearsall. This is the computer model. I think we could get a degree or two warmer. But here's the good news. That high is going to start flattening out. We go to a bit of a zonal flow, and then we get an area of low pressure in. By Tuesday, Wednesday of next week, rain chances are definitely going up. So we've got a chance. We've got a chance. Let's take a look. 14-day forecast begins with a weather impact alert on tomorrow's red flag warning because of the heat, high wind, and extreme drought condition. 91, no outdoor burning tomorrow. It'll still be a little breezy on Friday, sunny and 84. So again, not as hot front. We certainly won't see any cool air. Mid-80s on the split weekend of February and March. And then we're staying mid-80s until we get the clouds in with that chance of rain. The 4th, 5th, and 6th of March, even the 7th right now, holding about a 40% chance. And that's the weekend we spring forward and lose an hour of time. Nate Ryan with a phenomenal Spurs game next.